Turbo, what are we doing?
We're going to do some cheap entertainment.
Yeah.
Just like the wheel build video that we did with Brant Moore and Chad Powers and a couple other people. How I handicapped myself by putting a blindfold over my eye. This is something that we talked around the shop here, and this is pure entertainment. So I'm going to lace and true a wheel with this bad boy on. And you can't see through it.
Here, let's see. Hold it up. Can't see through it.
So this is gonna be fun. I don't know what we're actually gonna do with this, whether it be a contest type thing or just, you know, clickbait. I don't know, but should be fun. I'm gonna be lacing up a Odyssey Duro Electro rim. And it's actually in really good shape.
That's a nice rim.
To a shitty sealed, I'm assuming probably demolition hub. But yeah, I'm going to do this blindfolded, and we're going to see how long it takes.
What do you think? How long?
I'm going to say probably around the 35-minute range. Which is still kind of good to say and kind of sad for other people that spend at least 45 minutes to an hour and a half to do one wheel.
Well, let's see how this goes.
So yeah, this should be fun. And my only thing is I want to be allowed to drop 2 spokes in prior. So I'll grab 1 spoke, and there's no logo on the rim, so I don't need to worry about people shredding me when it comes to, you know, not lining stuff up. And
okay, so that's all you're gonna do without that you can see.
Yep. That's all I'm gonna do. Take my glasses off now, and
shit, you're blind already. Taking the glasses off. All right, you got your rim. You got everything that you need.
Yep. Everything that I need. I may use this. I may throw it.
Okay. Don't throw it at the camera.
I won't be able to see. All right.
All right. I'll tell you what. I'll count you down. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
But I'm only doing this to eventually take it back apart.
We're gonna zoom in on you. Check out your progress. So far, you're think you're about 11 minutes in.
Right on.
You're doing pretty good.
Yeah, not bad for a blind guy.
It's a great blindfold, by the way.
Oh. That guy's fantastic. I can feel on that last spoke that I'm off a hole.
What's that?
I can feel on that last spoke that I was off a hole.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
You got it?
Have to fix a couple spokes. No big
Oh, you
deal.
had to go back?
Yeah. I gotta do it to a couple.
That's crazy. You caught your mistake.
Yeah, fat fingers can do that sometimes.
How you looking, Turbo?
Honestly, I don't know because I can't tell. Can't see. But it feels like I have the spokes in the right hole. So I guess I'll find out when I go to tension it up and true it. But pure entertainment for me.
Oh, you're entertaining us as well.
That's the goal.
Especially like that blindfold.
Yeah.
Where'd that come from?
This came from Amazon, and this was a saying from our receiving guy, Jake, aka the Scooter King.
Our head receiver?
Yep. Alright, I think I'm done lacing. Can you just verify that all the spokes are there?
All right, let's see here. Yeah, all spokes are in it.
Then apparently that bag had 41 rather than 40. All right.
Oh, hang on. Now you got me. Now you got me questioning it. No, yeah, they're all there. Yep,
Right.
You're right. Had an extra spoke.
All right, cool. I just need to find.
You're gonna tension up before you put it in the stand, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, there's my bezel. And, all right, we're on the right side of the rim.
You do this part blindfolded half the time, anyways, or sleeping.
Yep.
Always looks like you're playing guitar.
That's because I'm a guitar player.
So actually, right now you're feeling real comfortable, huh?
Oh yeah. I would be more comfortable if I was, kicked back and had my pillow, but
In your stitch doll.
yep. Gotta have the stitch though.
We can do that? All right, let's see. Oh my God, dude, it's actually pretty straight already. All right.
Let's see. Those out of the way. Extra nipples. This is where it's going to be fun.
You're just kind of going to use your finger to...
I'm going to use my finger to guide it towards the little arm. And the fact that I've been using the same stand for 25 years and I only use one arm, I have to constantly flip the wheel to make sure that I'm dished evenly. And that little scrape means I have to tension this side.
All right, I got the camera on this side of you now.
Cool.
I'm gonna set the microphone up on your stand so we can hear you twist the nipples.
I wonder if any other wheel builder got this board to the point where they wanted to see if they could do it. Now I'm gonna go for the hop. Again, can't see shit. Let's see if the dish is right. Let's come back this way. Alright, I'm gonna assume I'm done on the side to side.
Let's check.
That looks pretty damn good, especially for a blind guy.
And now we'll check the hop.
That's pretty damn incredible.
Would you call it finished?
Yes, I would call that finished.
All right.
That is insane.
What time we got?
I think you're at about 45 minutes.
So.
Are you stoked? How was it? Was it easier, harder than you thought?
The dropping the spokes in was a little difficult. I can see certain hubs would be easier. Unfortunately, the Primo N4 FL, just because the spokes just fall in line. But other than that, it wasn't too bad. And if I can do this in apparently 45 minutes blindfolded, then pretty much anybody should be able to do it in 45 minutes to an hour.
It's just anybody. You know you're kind of talented, right?
Apparently I'm doing it blindfolded.
Here, we're throwing bras at you.
Hey, right on. I like bros.
Bro. All right. If anybody else can do it blindfolded, film it. Might be fun.
Yeah.
Bye, Turbo.
See ya.